If you want to replace a battery in the Ground Force Elite, you just remove 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're just going to lift that cover off. Okay, so I loosened up those 4 screws with this hex bit right here. I'm just going to lift this off. So when you lift this off, you just need to remember that you have the on and off switch and the charger port. So you're going to have to unclip these to access the battery. For the battery, it's supposed to look like this. There are 3 of them, and they fit under here. Ultimately, what I've done is I've put a 36-volt scooter battery into here, lithium 7.8, and you can see it's about 1.5 to 2 inches wide and tall enough to clear this, secured by this foam. I've been on it a bit, and so far it hasn't hit the chain. So far so good. 36 volt, 350 watt. It does use an XT60 connector by default, so there was an XT60 that went straight into the battery, so it makes swapping it easier. Alright, once you swap the battery in, you can wire your charge port through here easily because it's all plastic, and then just put it back together. So this battery I have has a separate charge port as part of it, so I just want to use that because I don't want to bypass the BMS by going straight to XT60. So I drilled a hole just wide enough for it. You can stick this connector through here, and then we'll have a proper charge port for that lithium battery. It can charge through this, but of course, if you charge through that, that's the wrong charger. If you have kids, just throw that charger out or put it away, and then just have them use the proper one for the lithium. Lastly, I've drilled a couple more screws, or drilled a couple more holes to put screws in, so we can keep that charge port in place. When you're putting your Ground Force drifter back together, make sure you do have these nuts at the end. They're supposed to go on the other side, so you're gonna have to push it up with one hand and then screw the top in. That goes for all 4 of these. With that new 36-volt lithium battery, it does feel nicer, although I can't wait to try a 48-volt battery. Thank you for watching.